Well guys, welcome to this very rainy construction update for Iron Menace. But since my last update, Dorney Park has actually completed track work for Iron Menace. All this and more coming up next on PA&J Thrills. So yeah guys, the final pieces of track have now been installed for Iron Menace. And yeah, the final couple turns back into the brake run. Yeah, it really does look amazing. They are working very diligently down there on the station. You can see a lot of the roof pieces are starting to go in. Yeah, very exciting. The station is starting to look much more complete. Looks like they got a couple theming elements on the walls. It's starting to kind of look a lot like how Ghost in the Machine looked this past haunt. And then as you will see when we come around, the final piece of track has now been installed. Very, very exciting. I'm very much looking forward to getting to take a behind the scenes tour for winter chill out. So it should be really exciting. Can't wait to see what they've done, like up close and personal. Yeah, the station's starting to look really cool. Very exciting. So I'm hoping soon we see actually testing. I'm not sure when they would start. My guess would be April. They've got a lot of theming to do on this ride. So they're probably going to be working on that. I did see on Dorney Park's social media that they are working on the Cedar Creek Flyers, so that's very exciting. Also, I think they have to start thinking about rerouting the Zephyr again, because part of the Zephyr is supposed to go underneath the station for Iron Menace. So they have that to worry about. Yeah, but the station, Iron Menace, and MT Buckets it's called now, is starting to look really just amazing. Of course, we'll find out more about all this smaller stuff probably, my guess would be at Winter Chill Out. So it should be a fun event. If you're coming, please let me know if you're going. I'd be intrigued to find out who's actually going. Really does look like it's going to be an exciting finale. Definitely that's the one thing I really like about Iron Menace versus a lot of the other B&M dive coasters like Yukon Striker, Valorvin at Cedar Point, even Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger at Fiesta, Texas. They all kind of had like that second drop. But Iron Menace and Emperor at SeaWorld San Diego don't really have that. And Emperor is actually one of the better dive coasters. So I'm kind of anxious to see how this is going to turn out. I'd imagine this is probably going to be up there with a lot of the dive coasters in Europe, like Baron 1898 at Efteling. So it should be exciting. So if you're liking these construction updates, I kindly encourage you guys to go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button, as anytime that there's something new going down here with Iron Menace, I will be sure to update you guys on. And even though track work has completed, we still got a long way before this coaster is finally open to the public. So we still... It should be an exciting time still, even though the big part is done. I'm really excited to see how Iron Menace is going to actually ride, how it's going to, when it starts testing, how it's going to take all these elements. It should be a fun time. And then, of course, you know, we're also covering the Flash Vertical Velocity at Six Flags Great Adventure. So even though Iron Menace is coming to a close, well, the major part of it, of course, we still got a long way to go, like I said. We still got the Flash to look forward to. So, yeah, should be exciting. Yeah, I imagine hopefully by Winter Chill Out, we'll see a lot more progress done on the station. And from what I saw from inside the park on Dorney Park social media, it's really coming together. A lot of theming elements. And that's a lot of things to the parks up north that they don't really have. Is attractions that are themed. This one's going to have a really cool steel theme that's going to tie in with like Bethlehem steel and the history here in the Lehigh Valley. So very exciting. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it from this week's Iron Menace construction update. I hope you all enjoyed it. Fantastic getting to see that track work has now been completed. It's been a real pleasure getting to watch this coaster rise, and we're still not done yet. You know, there's still a lot of the theming elements that need to go in. You know, the empty buckets re-themed, the routing of the Zephyr, and just tying the entire area together. You know, the gift shop, the bar and restaurant, you know, it all makes up this whole area of Dorney Park, and it's really exciting getting to see this all come together. So make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, as anytime that there is something going down here at Iron Menace, I will be sure to update you guys on it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, guys.